Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Google account using 2FA detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google account login page. Enter your email address and click Next. On the password page, type in your password and click Next again. Once you're logged in, locate the security section in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find the two-step verification option and click on it. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. After entering your password, you will be directed to the two-step verification setup page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You'll then see a list of available methods for receiving verification codes. Choose your preferred method for receiving codes, either through text message or an authenticator app. If you choose text, enter your phone number and click Next. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Check your messages and enter the code in the provided field, then click Verify. If you opted for an authenticator app, select that method and follow the instructions to link the app. Open your authenticator app and scan the provided QR code. This will generate a verification code that you can enter back on the setup page. Once you enter the code, click Verify to confirm. After verification, Google will give you the option to set up backup methods for recovery. Follow the prompts to add backup options, such as backup codes or a secondary phone number. Once you've completed these steps, two-step verification will be activated on your account. You may see a summary of your settings, confirming that 2FA is now enabled. For every future login, you will now need to enter a verification code after your password. Keep your recovery methods secure and up to date to maintain access to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.